Hello YouTube! This video is a unboxing and initial setup of the Greenworks 2100 electric pressure washer. Other pressure washers I considered in the same price range is the Bauer at Harbor Freight and the Husqvarna at Costco. Alright, we're going to unbox this Greenworks 2100 PSI pressure washer. Alright. We're going to do the voiceover on this unboxing. This is the spray wand. Of course, the instruction manual and how to register the pressure washer. These plastic pieces are the spray wand holder and the electric power cord holder. This is the end of the spray wand where it has the quick connect for the spray nozzles. This is the handle for the pressure washer. It's got some padding wrapped around the top of it, as you can see. That hook is for the pressure hose. Of course, this is the front plate that also serves as storage for the spray nozzles. This is the high pressure hose for the pressure washer. The ends are the industry standard, and it's the same on both ends. This is one of the wheels. Get a good look at the side view. Now I'm pulling out the main unit. This is a bag that contains the turbo nozzle and I believe the axles for the wheels. This power cord is one of the features I really liked about the pressure washer. It has about a foot length from the GFI to the end of the cord, so you can fit it into any outlet. Okay, we're moving into the assembly of the pressure washer. Very simple, straightforward. Tools needed was a screwdriver, scissors to cut the rope that's holding the pressure hose, and that's about it. Of course, I referenced the instructions. Make sure I'm doing this right. On the power driver, please set the torque to a light setting so you won't overdrive and crack the plastic. Required for this assembly is a Phillips screwdriver. Here I'm using a driver. Please note, turn down the torque to very light on a power driver, as you don't want to over torque it and crack the plastic. The screws for the front plate are easily identifiable. They're the only screws that have 4 the same. The other 2 screws involved are for the extension holder, which I'm working on now, and the other one is for the spray wand holder. The handle just snaps into place with 2 spring-loaded buttons. The next step is to put the wheels on. I have some pictures on the sequence of the axle and the washers, and then follow with the finishing cotter pin. There you see the close-up. The washers just fit against the wheel and the frame of the pressure washer, and there's the other side right there. Okay, now it's starting to look like a pressure washer. The only thing we have left is to connect the high pressure hose to the wand on one side and the pressure washer outlet on the other. Right now I'm looking at the hook that the high pressure hose gets stored on. It's a little tricky to install, but you can figure out. There's 2 holes at the top that the little wire goes into, and then you just press down and it gets held on by 2 plastic hooks. Okay, now it's time to remove the spray wand. I'm fitting in a green spray tip. I believe that is 25 degrees, and we're ready for the first power up. Please note that the instructions call for you to run the water through the hose. Make sure you get any impurities out before you connect it to the pressure washer. And then once you connect the hose to the pressure washer, you want to pull the trigger and spray without turning on the pressure. That will get all the air out of the system before the first power up. Alright, we're going to town now on some pressure washing. This is pressure treated decking that I'm washing now. And I'm going to wash the deck, and then I'm going to follow with some pictures of sort of like a split screen of where I washed and where I did not wash, so you can see the difference. One of the things that I liked about this pressure washer over the other two that I have on my radar was the high pressure hose seemed to be better quality than the other two. The next few pictures are going to be what's included with the pressure washer and some of the specs. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Also, I am going to put some more information in the description below, so please check that out. Thank you.